I was busy thinking about
fidget toys, fidget toys, fidget.
Cutting my fidgets at.
Michael Jackson, I'ma beat it. Game undefeated. She look good in that bikini, but the winter time my favorite season. She gon' drop it in.
Come clean my fidgets with me for the first time. EWW, what is that? I am disgusted. I am literally going to vomit. Now let's fill up the bath. Flop, flop, flop. One more for good luck. Swipe. Wash. Scrub. Time to dry. OMG, I can't believe I touch that every day. They look so clean now. Bye, bye.
I try to run, but see, I'm not that fast.
Ay, ay. She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard.
Oh yeah, and if you're gonna call these toys, make sure to put Fidget in front of it.
My way, or the highway, my way.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. I wanna be a spot underneath the Mexican sky. Drink some margaritas, watch me in blue lights. I hate to tell you.
Makes me happy.
and nothing hurts anymore. I feel kinda free. We're still the kids we used to be. I put my hand on the stove.
At first, I was like, feet, as a joke. But bro, I don't think it's a joke anymore.
Let's play a little game.
Fidget collector chat, show me your newest fidget toy, your favorite fidget toy, the fidget toy that's best for school, your least favorite fidget toy, a fidget toy you've never seen someone else have, and a fidget that you highly recommend to others.
I admit it's exciting, but for me gonna like it. But before I leave, baby, tell me what's your motive?
What's your motive? What's your motive?
Got 10,000
views.
Oh, that's a maze, Raquel. Fine. I watched my own video 10,000 times.
My mom names my fidgets part 2.
People think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone.
My package came. Let's open it. I got a Snap ever. 10 out of 10, I love it. It can go here. I love all of my fidgets.
I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white, I could be every color you like.
Yeah, no, I don't really do mud.
But you're a garden fairy.
Ironic, isn't it?
Send this to your ex-best friend. Why are you so fake? You are a big fat sneak. So before I slap you with a cake, quit playing for God's sake.
I like
Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it.